Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the PUMA Future Rider Play-On Pack. As you can see, these 4 sneakers are crazy with some luminous color palettes. But before we get into them, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. As you can see in front of me, this is a deconstructed sneaker with canvas, suede and premium leathers all the way across it, coming in 4 different colorways. So we're starting on the left, we have this good peachy iteration. With black and pink hits, this is then countered perfectly by sour white leathers with the exposed tongue as well as a pull tag coming on the inside of the sneaker. This is then countered expertly by the canvas that comes across the toe box and the underlays. This for me is probably my favorite colorway. I'm enjoying the peachy goodness. But next up, this is what I'm calling the Nintendo colorway. If you're as old as me, you probably played the Nintendo 64 back in the day, and this shoe is reminiscent of that games console, with premium suede on the toe cap and heel counter, and then the leather on the Puma branding on the sidewall, as well as the heel counter and tongue. You're probably looking at me thinking, Chris, this one must be a women's shoe with its lavender and pink hits, but this goes all the way up to men's sizing. This is a unisex pack, and this one is an absolute banger. I've been rocking them with black cargos, nice black hoodie, like what I'm wearing now pretty much, and it pops off perfectly. Again, with the premium materials such as the suede and leathers, this shoe is one of the best in the pack without a doubt. And then last but not least, we're going full 80s. So this is based on the Fast Rider, and now Puma brought it into 2020 with the Future Rider. But they've gone back to the 80s with these color palettes with the luminous yellows, the pinks, and then these peachy hues, looking like a shell tracksuit, and it's an absolute banger. If you're enjoying these sneakers, they will be available very soon for £80, so you are getting an absolute steal. And if you want to cop any of these shoes, we will leave a link down in the description below. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Puma Future Rider Play-On Pack. Make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button, and we'll see you very soon for another unboxing. See you.
Breathe. Inhale, exhale.